my name's Brooke with WTI, and I need peace and quiet. If you do too, check out this earplug. There's 15 wax pillows in here. They're so comfortable, and if I'm doing some housework or running the vacuum for a long period of time, I can just protect my ear as well. My husband used them, and he has larger ears, and he's comfortable using them and stays asleep a lot easier because he's a light sleeper. I use them and my ears are tiny and they're super comfortable because, again, they shape to your own personal ear. If we're swimming, my kids can protect their inner ear because the water doesn't seep through and risk them getting that swimmer's ear. When I lay on my side, they're not irritating, but they fit really nice into my ear. If you like staying asleep once you fall asleep, this is nice to cancel out the noise so that you can have a deeper sleep and a better sleep. I like the material that they use, the wax. There's no PVC, so you don't have to worry about that danger of the chemicals or irritants in the ear. So these are very comfortable for us. We're enjoying them. And if I'm outside working, maybe you do work outside too. And if you want to protect your ears so that you can have good hearing up into your old age, well, I want to protect my ears so that they last for a long time, and hopefully I can hear up into my older years. So I really like this peace and quiet wax pillows, and there's enough to share, and that's my point of view.